Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use the one variable data table for Monte Carlo simulation problems. Here you need to simulate for like 1000 to 5000 or like even 10,000 simulations, and it can be quite time consuming if you don't know the proper way. Here I have a problem already solved. It's about a beating auction, and here are four competitors competing in the auction, and their proposals are simulated by triangular distribution function. Note that Excel doesn't have any inbuilt triangular function. In order to use it in Excel, you can use the ASI add-in to get the triangular distribution function and other distribution functions that are not available in Excel. You can watch my other video based on ASI to how to get it and how to use those triangular distribution function and other distribution functions in Excel. So back into the problem. Here I have already calculated the estimated production cost and estimated preparation cost based on normal distribution and the other variables with some logical functions. Here I have already calculated for like 1000 times. I will show you how you can use this one variable data table to calculate 1000 to 5000 or even 10,000 times. I have calculated 1000 one scenario simulation here in order to show you. If you are solving a Monte Carlo simulation problem, you need to first visualize the problem and at least solve one scenario on yourself. Then after that you need to use the one variable data table for how many times you want to simulate that problem. So in this case we are going to simulate for 1000 times. So to give the trial for 1000 times, we can use the sequence function here and give 1000. This will give a serial number of 1 to 1000, and then we need to select the cells, all the cell ranges in the table, and go to the data tab. Here go to the analysis, what if analysis, then data table. In data table, select the column input cell and click on any empty cell beside the table data range, then click OK. In few seconds you will see all the cell ranges that you have selected will automatically calculated if you have selected for like 1000 or even 5000 or even 10,000, it will be automatically calculated. Here you can see that all of our cells up to 1000 times has been instantly calculated. So this is an extremely useful tool when you are solving a Monte Carlo simulation problem. It will save you time. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will implement this while solving your Monte Carlo simulation problems as well. Thank you for watching.